Hi all. Now we are going to see about a communication model in computer networks. So what is computer network? In computer network, the systems are connected together. That is, we call a set of devices often mentioned as nodes are connected by media link and is called as network. A node can be a device which is capable of sending or receiving data generated by other node on the network like computer, printer, laptop, etc. These links connecting the devices are called communication channel. Computer network is a telecommunication channel using which we can share data with other computers or devices, and also we can connect to same network or some other network. This is also called data network. The best example of computer network is internet. So in internet we use the terminology, that is, we say it as communication model. The basic communication model is used to exchange data between two or more parties. For example, a communication between a computer, server and telephone through modem. It is an example, very good example for communication model. From the source, the data is transmitted to transmitter, and from transmitter it is given to transmission system, and from transmission system to the data is given to the receiver, and from receiver the data is sent to the destination. So the communication model consists of source. The source, the data to be transmitted is generated by this device. Example, telephone, computers, laptops, etc. The second one is transmitter. The data generated by the source system is not directly transmitted in the form it's generated. The transmitter transforms and encodes the data in such a form to produce electromagnetic waves or signal. The next one is transmission system. The transmission system can be a single transmission line or complex network connecting source and destination. Next one is receiver. The receiver accepts the signal from the transmission system and converts it into a form which is easily managed by the destination device. And the last one is the destination. The destination receives the incoming data from the receiver. Next we are going to see about the simplified communication model diagram. As we have seen earlier, there is a source. The source can be either workstation or any laptop or computers, and from source the data is transmitted to transmitter, and from transmitter the transmitter can be either modem or Wi-Fi, and from the transmitter to transmitter system it can be a public telephone network, and from there the data is sent to the modem of the receiver, and from that it is given to the destination system. Next, what are the key communication tasks here means the transmission system utilization, interfacing, signal generation, synchronization, exchange management, error detection and correction, addressing and routing, recovery, message formatting, security and network management. Here we say about the data communication. That is, data communication means the exchange of data between two devices through which transmission medium is connected, and is called as data communication. The data is exchanged in the forms of zeros and ones. The transmission medium used is wire cable. For data communication to occur, the communication device must be a part of communication system. The data communication has two types. One is local and second one is remote. For local communication to take place, it takes place when the communication devices are in the same geographical area, for example same building or face to face, etc. For remote data transmission, to takes place, it takes place over a distance, that is the devices are far away. The effectiveness of data communication can be measured through delivery, timeliness and accuracy. Delivery means the delivery should be done on correct destination and it should be delivered on time and should be accurate. The main components of data communications are message, sender, receiver, medium and protocol. Message is the information what is to be delivered. Sender is the person who is sending the message. Receiver is the person to whom the message is to be sent, and the medium is through which the message is sent, for example modem, and protocol are some of the set of rules which govern data communication. So here in the simplified data communication model, the data, that is the text data, is sent through the source and it is converted into digital bit stream, that is in the form of zeros and 1, and from transmitter it is sent as a analog signal. The transmission system sends the data as analog signal and the receiver receives the data and sends it as a digital bit stream, and finally the text is given in the destination. So we can assess this topic by asking the questions such as what is communication model, what are the component of communication model, what do you mean by data communication, likewise. Thank you.